So right now we are actually walking over to Saratoga Springs from our resort. We are going to be just eating at the little quick service, not really like restaurant, but like, yeah. We love eating there. They have such amazing food. So we're gonna walk over there first, and I think we're going to Hollywood Studios later tonight for New Year's Eve. It's like 6 o'clock right now. I woke up 3 hours ago, so my day is just getting started, but yeah, we're gonna go eat before we do anything. Oh, that's cute. Hey guys, these ears are low-key on sale, and with a passport discount they'll be like 16 bucks, and it's honestly a steal, so I don't know.
No, I figured, yeah, this is Springs did look bad.
Oh, well, I can't be turned off right now.
When we walked by.
Okay, so we made it into Hollywood Studios. It is a tad bit crowded over here, but it's not really bad. They have, you can definitely hear it, they have a DJ going on, and everything. But right now we're going to be heading over to Star Tours to do a ride. It's the lowest wait, everything is like actually insane. But also, guys, it is so cold out here. It is actually freezing. I did not come well prepared. But, so we went over to Saratoga Springs, and it's been a goal of mine to try the new sauce chicken tenders at all of the parks, resorts, or whatever, because they dropped a good amount of them. So I tried 2 so far, and I found that Saratoga Springs has another one. So I tried it, and it was absolutely incredible. And right in front of me is Backlot. I know they have another one, so I'm going to try and convince my parents to let me go get more chicken tenders, but if not, it's okay. But I do need coffee. I need coffee. I don't think I can physically make it through tonight without coffee.
I'll let him share. We got a problem.
Legend of the Phoenix. Hold on, we're going hurrah.
I finally got my coffee. I got an iced latte from Joffrey's over by Tower of Terror, and I have no idea what we're gonna go do now. But guys, while we were riding Star Tours, I got Rebel Spy. That was honestly kind of cool. Yeah. Goofy's out here, and he's got like a little top hat on. He's so cute. And there's a drummer. I love this.
But like whenever me and Richie are together.
You say that you can, no matter how tiny you are, you can be brave and strong. You know what? There's a Jedi Master who always says you should not trust no one by your side.
2014. Oh, where is the line?
Why are they lying?
So we just live for fun now. We just live for fun now. What the heck? It said it was 55 minutes. What? This ain't. We are over at Backlot. We got about an hour till midnight, and we were just in line for Rise of Resistance, and we did not move at all in line. Then all of a sudden, people come up to us and they tell us the ride's broken down. So, and we check on the app, and the ride's been broken, and no one told us. So we left the line, and now we're just getting food. So I got some more sauce chicken tenders. These are the honey buffalo ones, so I'm actually excited to try them. And yeah, we're gonna do a little taste test, and then we're gonna go. I'm with my brother right now. We're gonna go back and meet up with our parents in about 30-ish minutes and wait for the bottle drop. All right, let's try this. Dude, that's incredible. That's so good.